Hi everyone, if you are new here on my channel, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you are part of the crew already, hello, welcome back. Thank you for coming back. So you guys, for today's video I created this green smoky eyes for you guys. I was just really inspired with the whole green St. Patrick's, and so I wanted to create something like this for you guys. I really love how it turned out. I had some bumps along the way, but it's okay. I really love how it turned out, and I think the nude lipstick is perfect because our eyes are too intense already. So if you guys are loving what you're seeing so far, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video and comment something on the bottom. Let me know what you guys are doing for spring break and also for St. Patrick's Day. If you guys want to see how I created this green smoky eyes, then just keep on watching. Let's go ahead and start with our eyes. I'm gonna prep my lid with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in Natural. I'm taking my Subculture Palette and I'm gonna take Dawn, this one right here. I'm gonna set my lid with this. So I'm gonna take this palette right here. I got this on Amazon. I'm gonna try to find it and link it if you guys are interested. But it just this little tiny shadows, and it has all like the bright colors that you'll need. I just thought, because I'm not gonna be using too much colored shadows, so this is perfect for me. I'm gonna take this really bright one right here, and I'm gonna put that on my crease. That is blending really good. I just had to pack it on to get that green that I want, but it's okay. I don't mind a little bit of work. You guys know how this goes. We are going from the lightest to the darkest on our lid. So I'm gonna take this one down here. I know this is very repetitive with the gradients of color and whatnot, but it does make a difference. This is giving me a poison ivy vibe to it. So I'm going to take one more green. We're going to take this dark one right here, and I'm going to put that on my outer V and also dust our crease a little bit with that. So I want the outer V to be a little darker than what it is right now. It's too like one color for me, it's too flat. So I'm going into Jaclyn Hill's palette. I'm gonna take Enchanted, this dark green right here. I'm gonna take the other end of this brush and just pack that on. Ooh-wee. You might think that all the shadows that we're packing on our lid is redundant, but look at that. Look at like the gradients of color. You can't get that by just applying one shade, and you can't get that beautiful color right there. And now I'm just gonna blend the top a little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the inner corner. I'm just taking the concealer that I used to prime my lid. Okay, now that we cleaned up our inner corner, I think they are not even, but we are moving on. I've wasted too much time trying to even them out. So we are gonna take this beautiful color right here, which is Pool Party. And we're gonna put that in that little spot right there. So I'm just going to take the other end of this brush and I'm going to dip into that dark green. I think it was Enchanted. This is my stubborn lid. You guys see that little white spot right there? That's just a spot on my lid that won't take any pigment. It is very, very annoying. That is all I'm gonna do to the lid. I really like how it is right now. I was gonna do something fancy, but I just end up messing it up, but it's okay. We're moving on. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up under my eyes and also apply some lashes. So you guys, let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the face before we do our lower lash line. So to prime my face, I'm taking my Pores No More Luminizer Primer. This is from Dr. Brandt. I really am enjoying this primer right now. This is my favorite primer, I should say. And then for foundation, I am taking my Maybelline 24 Hours Foundation. This is in 220 Natural Beige. I've been loving this foundation lately. And then for concealer, you guys know I'm very loyal to my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And then to highlight our face just a little bit, I am going to take my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Before we set all that concealer, let's go ahead and cream contour real quick. I know it looks harsh, but you guys know we blend this with our sponge. And we're done. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my Dermablend and set all my concealer first. And then to set the cream contour, I'm gonna take this bronzer right here. This is the AlexisRen in Colourpop. You guys know this is my fave. And then for blush, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Rose Champagne. I'm gonna line my waterline with this Vasanti Kajal waterline eyeliner. This is Intense Black. And then I'm gonna take Enchanted and I'm gonna smoke out that black liner that we just applied. Don't forget to apply mascara on your lashes. I'm just taking my Tarte Tarteist. This is the same mascara I used on my top lashes before my fake lashes. I'm gonna take Queen and we're gonna put that in the inner corner. This is from LA Colors. I had this for a long time. I'm gonna go dip into that. And then at the very top of our little that little curve right here, I'm gonna add that yellow gold loose pigment. And for today's highlighter, I'm gonna take my Ofra highlighter. This is in Rodeo Dry, one of my favorite. And I'm gonna dip into that gold shadow. I'm gonna put that on the top of my cheeks. And then for that perfect nude, I am taking Desi and Katy's collaboration with Dose of Color. This is More Creamer Please. So you guys, this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I know my son is on spring break, so you guys have fun on your spring break. So thank you guys for being here and hope you guys like this look. Thank you for being here. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. And like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys.